Oh, what is going on? I don't see no firefighter, but I hear sirens approaching. Sounds scary, guys. I see sirens. Oh, they're coming. Oh, I see one. I see one. Oh God. That can't be good. Yeah, I saw the reflection right here. I saw it and it went that way.
Oh, the moment that?
Yeah, it went that way.
Oh, I can see
Look,
that.
see the flash. Now I'm filming this.
Let's check it out, brother.
Yeah, I'm up on YouTube soon, but I can't edit on. I can't edit on CapCut because CapCut got banned, and I didn't have to use iMovie, but it's been hard because I haven't used that video editing since a few years. Gets over there. Scary. Man, where's that footsteps coming from? Back at that sunrise. That nice sunset. Oh, is that a moon or a star? Yo, what is that? Okay, I'm going back inside. I hear some weird noises. Okay. Oh my God.